California's Sacramento, AP, a judge temporarily stopped California from enforcing a historic new law on Friday that would have increased salaries and improved working conditions for fast food employees. In response to a lawsuit filed by restaurant business groups seeking to have a referendum on the November 2024 ballot in an effort to reverse the legislation, Sacramento County Superior Court Judge Shelleyanne Chang issued her decision. The bill creates a 10-member committee with the authority to determine the minimum salaries, guidelines for working hours, and working conditions for California's fast food employees. The State Department of Industrial Relations announced it would start enforcing the rule on Sunday in the interim. For example, it might open the door for appointments to the Fast Food Council. However, any pay raises or other modifications couldn't go into effect until at least October, so the law wouldn't have a direct bearing on employee pay right away. The International Franchise Association and the National Restaurant Association argued that waiting until the referendum's status is known is required by state law. Rather than the roughly 620,000 necessary under state law, the industry groups submitted more than 1 million signatures from voters in favor of the referendum. The case and a number of firms, including McDonald's, Chipotle, and Starbucks, were denounced by the Service Employees International Union, which was instrumental in gaining support for the establishment of the council. Tia Orr, executive director of SEIU California, said in a statement that this shameful ploy comes directly out of the corporate playbook that Californians have, regrettably, grown to know too well. Corporations turn to funding ballot measures in an effort to subvert democracy and the will of the people when they are unable to block progressive legislation in the legislature, she continued. The hearing was set for January 13 by Chang, the judge. Additionally, she claimed that restaurant organizations had failed to demonstrate that their legal actions had adequately helped the state, and she commanded them to do so.